Is fear of driving holding you back and getting in the way of you leading the life that you want to lead? Well, if so, this is the course for you. It will take you through how to conquer your fear of driving using CBT, cognitive behavioural therapy. We're going to use this because it's the most proven evidence-based way to reduce a phobia such as driving, and we're going to walk through it every step of the way with videos to explain things and a series of worksheets and exercises so that you'll not just learn things, but you'll actually take steps to reduce your anxiety. I can't promise that by the end of the course you will love driving, because the reality is there isn't a magic bullet for anxiety. But this course will give you all of the tools and techniques you need so that you can get behind the wheel with confidence and lead the life that you want to lead. My name is Chris Warfock. I'm a psychologist. I'm the co-owner of the Leeds Anxiety Clinic. I'm the founder of the mental health charity Anxiety Leeds. I've written a couple of books on anxiety as well. I've taught tens of thousands of students here on Udemy, and I would love for you to be the next one. So if you're ready to tackle your fear of driving, then hit the buy now button to get started. I can't wait to see you inside the course.